Mo bibia kwa about the smart Ghana update so we news update for cry ne de ba beso mo. Awusua Agyapadeɛ book no na Hopeson ahia Akyem hene ba kwa omanya abotre apiepiem ne nyina eboda on Galamsey insensem ene omo a osusu se omo de companies ahia gu Agyapadeɛ book no mu a omato apete Ghana ha ne nyina ne se ohene ne nsu na ne nsase eyade se omo se no na ohwehwe mu no so no empanifo ne bi hyehyɛ akire a ebi atete task force ni ade a omogigi sika ede ma omo including na hemfu ni bi a ehyehyɛ omase na no ena Hopeson adoye ka kire ohene ewo nanim pen se so oso opese otu sa Galamsey yase paade a ene order from above no esese wodi ho dwuma esanse empanifo ni bi ena hyehyɛ akire ene no so asom say he doesn't give a damn esanse wono kra so wokasa yi wokoje interlocutory injunction ede aba beto asase e wo nyina na also ye leader na order from above bi a wo de brane be hia na wo honom abusua ensam ne de dɔɔso a bepese ye beko ne akwakotii
then ube yusu na de nyina akoko wie sabu o tie mekasem na botre mekasem meni abre tie meni abre ni nyina akoko wie sabu poeso buku ya tie mami mo so sei mammo o tie
me patcho me
o ya ka wa se mammo
e ba kakra ni di kan
no sha se mami ukuro no dia na ekoso dia na mama du sa level way
ni kro no yefre ho Akyem Adamsina na ene nkwate ne bohye Adamsina Stuland ena ene pankese abohye
okay
ene assume ne bohye ena tiewia pra river no da mebinkum na sika wasase ne so efri tete iti yempanimfo na ka chon so monfa arm no mo so afo mo task force na task force no so ye arms na task force so ne call all the individual Galamsey so ena gigi sika de koma no ahimfo ni bi admit say na yesre ewom so ayo asase de but ye ni anim say ni say ne be ya agensem na ye ntra ho emma sa de we enkoso the whole country will hear of me as of next week simian kasa say interlocutory injunction me lawyers e de shame nsem a say copy ni a ye be from ho de nyina so we ye be ma bra
now the next thing as is do next form order from above.
From where?
Obiaka say order from above.
I don't respect that.
That's right.
What banana na kosia bitia? Shut up and sit down. Who school ben na okoye? You retired professors will say shut down and sit down. Would you know who I am? You didn't buy my land.
That's right.
I came and I housed you. If you put your foot there, I'll deal with you.
That's right.
Ya wo ba ko pe uwe ba ko e champion breso ade ye student to cry na ye sura de nye da ya bon ko cry ye bibi asai o ba ye ma kwan.
That's right.
Me ma wo kwan ma wonye Liberia de bo sa de se me nye mre it wo ba be se ma de ya me ma kwan.
That's right.
Nkwara na bre ahima na bre obi ko wo abehwe na nsensia chemicals adentra yenya nana sika ni mo di ma ya de be ya Agyapadeɛ ne ade ya makwan me de be makwan it is also ye be ma bra ye nsra kwan bisa do ye ma me kan kire wo ye nsra kwan ne ya ye bone.
That's right.
Wo ye bone ne wie no akopa cho me de wa ba masase so nti me nsra kwan ma prevent it. Me ye wie na wo ye offended I'm sorry but I'm protecting my land.
That's right.
Bible kure
na nasem a wo kan se ne opese ye no no o ze Alan odo no watena se wa hwɛ me ama aye mesre mo amotwa ye no ye pese ye tu sadi we yase a ye woni pa ba ko adwene ndi daditi chese eje se wodi na no kakeke wo ye practical person how be vacation
Dr. Bawumiaka the same thing o se ye tu abama na oba obeyi
Dr. Bawumiaka sadeti na ese wujiti look in 2015-2016 in opposition he was restoring the value of the city in opposition was it will restore the value of the city at the man of mine 8 years city need to say what am I restore number 2 was say economy not to pansam now bet my engage in propaganda but when the fundamentals are weak your exchange rate will expose you and it is say was it economy no if you are in doubt just observe the exchange rate that time our workers are no yes our lecture no na 2.8 $1 2 cedis 80 pesos that time in the time man wo you know you hand over amount 4 cedis and then 16 point something so what are you talking about no catch us or no bar say no be ya
also that
what be also wo say me bar power look it down
also that
no power look it down say want man ya e dey be wo kanyina no your friend sweet words wo kan dia manaye wasum de me say Ghana for say Mudo or my Ghana, the only thing you can do to show say Mudo or my Ghana is to vote MPP out. That one, no two ways about that. Because how does that mean now? If Kofi mutu Galamsey, or man was I do Martinaso, or mube to ako. I just said near ya. And he said, ye kwaya ya preserve one making sure say, mo bien rem. Hey, let's just say. Nipa kuo baako de wo mo adwena ne se yemfa da Agyapadeɛ nyina at a time ni yenwie wo mo di akire de yemfa wo ho adan then say yes when the last 3 dies
we all die
so when you know eti kwaye na ye gya to ho no enye kofo nkwa na benefit wo mu emfa so bi afiri mu ba bia no ebi kayen e won gra
yes
anu tin ye se Achimota forest ye mo ho bai. So dim say hon so na make koso so we near no na make koso Achimota forest ya
radio musi ho anka de besi
me say na make koso no
me na you must work the forest me wa forest me ensa me wo Kejasi forest
okay
me wo Agyapadeɛ forest eno de ye preserve eno de nyame adawro mak afi no omu nkakra ya ma ya desia ne di etua kopam wo ebi na me ne nkwaten so na ebohye kwakuru forest ewo ya asase so but nana hima so wako shedi si onini forest do mo esi asenwa wo yem behyew asoja for me no boko ya me kurani me gina ho na sebe me ho pupu sei na me say aden ma breso me tran ho ma we anything ma sori awaka ma con news media be bia e bo ne kokko me saka interlocuting junction wo me nsem this week the whole world will hear of me.
That's right.
Yes me tran ho na to me ne de nyankopon yemfa ma wo gisa woje na abusuafo ne di sovereignty na hye me nsam die se hwe Agyapadeɛ so mam obonyimi ni akoma afa ma me ntra ho ma ban me kankyem aba ne tinkran yo obatum take water me no bi me meet me kura me nim sufi etiene ye me ma ho kwan
asamna na kano na ne ko foji agu awasi omunya sika top water ya tinkra ha aba mo banyifo important so no omo no
na o ma ye pese
ya baba back biam ya besa no what na se
o ma ye pese ya fight Galamsey every day. Go to Temaport. Look at how many can say excavators are here clear. Just say, Usha, na excavator crowd here. Yankee, I say, you fighting this Galamsey. In can say, etra, you can say, Amasamai. In can say, etra Masamai. What you say? Saudi Babe Gunga had a bibia. Fine. Now, say, echo. Some mining areas, you know, but go there and see. Maybe a buying car say, Wamoshe excavators. Now, a popular decision. But Ghana for you now stop and so I think I can minimize it. Effect here, Sabria. So, because excavator back on the board and the good one.
Yeah.
What you are called Nasi Ashino. Not go for Fasaka Wabani Ashina. I don't think so. The third one, baby. But you know, Ghana for be out of politics in the other day. Just say you divide here. You know, Emma or Musnia sa apodeno. And excavators are called Gukwa Yemu and also saying first again. So, and then your money in happiness, dear politics.
Mamma Majo, a hono excavator, Sieno. Memma Majo Hokakra. Say, you were committed leadership. I want to say, and Koma Yedi. Oh, who? And Susan, so when you say a dangerous Mayana, excavator, you know, be no more drip and to question your pre. Because I am by your bedino cramaya, yet time excavator and yet your question assembly was say, Mufan Jupan, Yamopasa Mudi Yamo Fanyani a season. By a season excavator to be Tabalu to
near Wokano a woman, but Tama Yaka say, okay, Cesadia or Monsheno. Our Musha say, Kajatu Bakumi and Semono. Yes, sorry, T.I. Look, we'll find out the Gokosi Assembly. The next day, Nisi Kwayim.
Jackson, what we need is a functional leader, not a positional leader. Oh, if you have a positional leader, he or she doesn't function properly.
That's right.
Okay, but if you have a functional leader, he thinks about his people. If you look at Numbers 27, he defines the qualities of a leader. The leader takes his people out and achieves something purposeful and bring it back.
Yeah.
So if they are not achieving something purposeful, you are not a functional leader. That is the problem we have. And then the problem we also have is that we are conditioned to accept certain things.
Yeah.
Yes, if you put a water in a bottle, what do you see? You will take the shape of a bottle. If you put it in a basin, it will take the shape of a basin. We are conditioned to accept certain things. I'm not conditioned to accept certain things. Enough is enough. This is what we are doing. If any of the chiefs, some of them cry, encourage. If you say,
yeah.
I can't include no money now. Why the same? Over to home, I say, "Well, Agyapadeɛ." Near the aboard, the do say one breast and then Sassini and say, "Mintrao." Media Mintrao. I never quite yet. No. Abroach, Mam Sabra, would you independence? Young farm on silver platter. We believe in giving excuses. Oh, Yagami Babruch Mebu, near friend Bovis, Saponiform. And salopity, BSc, politicians borrow BSc, blame someone else. We are
I don't be sure community invite me.
This is the first time
let us protect our property.
I said, I'm not to go to Yara for the mind.
Also,